How to make PCB fabrication easier. PCB fabrication can be a complex process, but there are several strategies you can use to make it simpler and more efficient. First and foremost, clear design planning is crucial. Start by creating a detailed schematic and layout for your PCB, ensuring that all components are placed logically and without interference. Use PCB design software like Eagle, KiCad, or Altium, which offer powerful tools to visualize the entire board and avoid common design errors before the fabrication process begins. Next, optimizing your design for manufacturing is key to reducing complexity. Ensure that your design adheres to standard manufacturing constraints, such as minimum trace widths and spacing. You can often find DRC settings within your PCB design software that can help ensure that the design is feasible for mass production. By following these guidelines, you can avoid costly mistakes, delays, and the need for costly design revisions during fabrication. Another tip is to choose a reliable and experienced PCB manufacturer. Work with manufacturers that offer prototypes or low-volume production runs, which allows you to test your design before committing to a large batch. Many manufacturers also provide additional services such as assembly or testing, which can save you time and reduce the complexity of handling multiple vendors. Ensure you understand their capabilities, such as layer count, material options, and supported technologies. Lastly, communication with your PCB manufacturer is key to a smooth process. Make sure to send them all necessary documentation, such as Gerber files, BOM, and assembly instructions, in the correct format. Keep an open line of communication during the fabrication process to address any potential issues quickly. With clear instructions, optimized designs, and reliable partnerships, you can significantly simplify the PCB fabrication process, reducing errors and streamlining production.